how to export photos from NanoBanana.AI. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the process of exporting your photos from NanoBanana.ai. So let's get started. First things first, make sure that you are already inside the NanoBanana.ai and you have also created a very beautiful output right over here in the output gallery. So it will be easier for you and me to process the process in a very short time. And if you are confused about how we can give this image in the output gallery, you can see my previous videos. So let's get into the topic again. So here you can see I already have a photo that I have got from the prompts that I used earlier. Now, in order to export your photo, you can see there's an option called download image, which is right over here. Simply tap on it like this and it's downloading. Simply tap on open and you can see it have already been downloaded, and that's it. That's how you can easily export the photos from NanoBanana.ai. And lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.